It's great to be able to flag email messages and have them end up here on the to-do list or to flag contacts, but don't overlook tasks because there is one specific attribute of tasks that is not an attribute of flagging for follow-up, and that is the ability to delegate to someone else. Let me show you how this works. I need a hotel registration for the conference that I'm attending in June. And I'd like to ask my administrative professional to get my hotel reservation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the task that I'd create for myself. As a matter of fact, maybe I already have created the task. There is a April 30th early bird, and after that, that's going to be open to everyone, so I want to make sure that that happens. And I might have a lot of other notes in here that I'd like to track. And I have categorized this. This is going to be hotel or car and arrangements needed. And now I want to assign the task, and I'm simply going to assign it to Charles, just like that. Now, if I change my mind right now, I can cancel this assignment. But if not, already I've provided all the information I need to provide, some URLs, some files, whatever I need to. It's all right here. And I'm going to send this. Now, I had a choice. Sometimes I would like to take a task and just give it away. But in this particular instance, I want this task to stay on my list. If for some reason Charles declines this task, then I will get a message back that says, nope, it's back to you. And I will still have had it on my list, so that will work just fine. The reason, however, it stays on my list when it's assigned is that these two checkboxes were checked. The first says, keep an updated copy of this task on my task list. So not only is this copy here, but right now it's not started. If Charles starts working on it and changes that to in progress, my copy of that will be updated as well. And finally, when he's all done and marks this as complete, he just checks it off, it's going to be checked off on my list, and I'll get a status report that includes things like the date when it was done.